Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of this wonderful car. We're starting with the power units as usual. Non-turbo engines cause less problems. Minor issues occur during engine lifetime of 200 to 250,000 km. They are connected with ignition coils, sensors, fuel pump and alternator. 16-valve engines with more than 100,000 km often suffer from oil burning in combustion chamber. Values reach 1.5 liter per 1000 km. Timing belt is recommended to replace every 60,000 km. Huge valve reliefs on piston surface prevent valves from meeting pistons, not on 16-valve. Valve timing gears should be replaced at 150 to 200,000 km as well as PCV pipe. Also used Puntos may have some throttle body issues. Oil pump and lambdas have poor resource too. Neutralizers begin to degrade at 150 to 200,000 km if using low quality gas. Soot particles can block oil lines in cylinder head, causing camshaft lubrication problems and oil leaks through head gasket seal. 8-valve engines need valve clearance adjustment every 60,000 km. Be sure to replace all the seals during adjustment procedure. 250,000 of kilometerage may require cylinder head repair. Non-turbo cars strongly need oil pan protection because of its low position and bend resistance. Small displaced non-turbo engines can be running in a 300,000 km period. Turbo engines are also pretty good at a long distance and provide awesome power efficiency. These engines should be regularly maintained and kept away from detonation issues. Turbocharger gate has some operability problems. High operation temperature causes cracks on turbocharger housing, wastegate and downpipe. Intake manifold, pneumatic valves and seals can get bad in 5 to 6 years. Fiat turbos are one of the last reliable turbocharger engines. Even the most powerful version is extremely durable. They should not be ECU tuned though. 1.9 liter diesel is one of the best compact common rail engines up to this moment. Cheap maintenance and high resource explain that. Insignificant problems, however, can be found in any engine. Injection pump and injectors are sensitive to fuel quality. Dual mass flywheel and EGR valve can run for 200,000 km and are cheap in replacement. This engine can be driven for more than 400,000 km without piston group repairs. The new 1.6 liter diesel engine is not so widespread yet. Some issues already occur in particulate filter and high sensitive fuel system, and maintenance is more expensive than the one of 1.9 liter engine. 1.3 multi-jet is one of the smallest diesels in the world. Nevertheless, it is highly durable. Some versions of this engine did not have DPF filter. Its presence does not really affect reliability because the filter is rather rigid, but problems can occur to filter sensor. The sensor is pretty expensive with price of 200 euros. The EGR valve and injection system may have to be replaced after 100,000 km. Timing chain easily flexes at less than 130,000 km. Few cars did not require timing mechanism repairs in 250,000 km. Chain condition must be regularly inspected to avoid its tear downs and further expenses. Low oil level leads to inefficiencies in chain tension operation. Thermostat leakages can lead to engine overheat. European spec cars have issues with PCV pipe icing at low temperatures. Autonomous heater can solve the problem. 3 gearboxes were available: manual 5 and 6-speed and automated Selespeed. In 5-speed manual transmission, shifter and clutch cables are the weaknesses. The cables leave for 100 to 150,000 km. Seals often cannot hold oil inside the housing. Turbo versions were equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission with dual mass flywheel that rarely makes it to 150,000 km. Often low RPM driving reduces its lifetime. Automated gearbox badly stands low temperatures, so hydraulic motors get broken quickly. Servo liquid tank often has leakages. Do not start motion until gearbox reaches operation temperature to increase its lifetime. Automated gearbox repairs are an expensive procedure. Electric pump and hydraulic accumulator are AMTE's trouble zones. Electric pump can be bought new for 700 to 800 euros or repaired with brush replacement and some space for only 40 euros. Hydraulic accumulator is replaced with new one for €200. Clutch wears out at 60 to 80,000 kilometers. Resistive elements also require frequent replacement. Sensor upsets are common for this automatic transmission. Its resource is 150 to 200,000 kilometers. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that will help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.